arrived in Crystal Lake and we found Windy Gap Trail, and it is windy out here today, about 85 degrees. How did that come to be? A rock in front and a rock in back of this beautiful oak, just surrounded by rock, but still strong. We're eating one of Pete's famous poodle dinks. It's a dried banana, and they are so good, such a treat for this hike. We go up to the top of this mountain. We are huddled under these trees because it's raining, and we really don't want to get wet even though it's 83 degrees. Down there you can see Azusa and the dam, the two dams. That's where we parked, right there. Came about 1,500 feet up, and we're coming out of the trees now. We're coming around to the gap to go to the top of the mountain. This is a crazy switchback up on the top of this hill. We made it to the saddle, Vincent Gap Saddle. They're telling us that Baden Powell is almost 6 miles that way. We've been there before, seeming to hit every peak except Baldy. We have pretty much hiked across the St. Gabriel's to Highway 2. Just made it into Little Jimmy Campground. It's a pretty nice place. Tables, camping spots. Marv. Right down there is the saddle. That's our switchbacks. Someone built a stone house up at the top of Mt Islip. Welcome to Mt Islip, and look at Marv's view. Check it out. Out to Palmdale and beyond. Coming up on the summit, about 8,300 feet. Right down at that road right there is the car, 2,400 feet. There used to be a fire tower right there, but they either took it down, or worse, it burned down. Here's a stone house. Can't burn that down. Looks like the roof took a beating though. Check when I get home, see if that's Mount Baldy over there. I think it is. And this mountain over here is higher than us. What is that? This one over here looks as high, and this one over to the west looks to be higher. We went way up on that top, and to the saddle right over there. It's hard to see the height. We made it to Crystal Lake. Not much water in here today. This natural spring feeds the lake. They need more water.